Hi there, my name is Hannah, and today I'm going to show you how to create this simple nail design that is perfect for the summer. If you want to know how to create this look, keep on watching. First, I'm applying Essie's Strong Start Base Coat to protect my natural nails. Next, I am applying Pure Ice Polish in the shade Happy Hour to all of my nails except my ring finger. On my ring finger, I am applying Wet n Wild Mega Last Polish in the shade Private Viewing. Now I am painting a second coat of polish to all of my nails for a brighter appearance. This is the dotting tool I will be using for the flower petals. This end has a slightly larger ball compared to the other end. For the center of the flowers, I will be using this Simple Colors metallic polish called Supernova. Using the larger side of the dotting tool, I am placing 4 dots on my ring finger. For the petals, I'm using Sally Hansen's Hard as Nails in the shade White On. With the smaller end of the dotting tool, I am placing 5 white dots around the rose gold dots I placed previously. It's totally okay if you don't have a dotting tool. A bobby pin or toothpick will work just as well. Now I am placing little white dots in between the flowers to fill up some space. Taking this small paintbrush, I'm dipping it into 100% pure acetone and cleaning around the edges of my nails to make my manicure look perfectly polished. To seal the manicure design, I'm applying Such Feet Top Coat. This allows my nails to dry to the touch within minutes and create a glossy finish. Lastly, I love to apply Kiara Sky's Nourish Oil all over my cuticles to rehydrate them from the acetone. And now your manicure is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video, and I would love to hear your feedback. See you later!